Is it necessary to increase the pain of my negotiation partner to reach an agreement?
That's another great question. I think in some ways it is yes, by introducing consequences. Have you thought about the consequences of not selling this company?
Yeah.
And what would happen should you not sell it and it goes into probate or goes into whatever?
How do you do it? So if you say, do you need to think about it? Then I think it's more.
No, it's not command and control.
Huh?
You do it with a question. Have you thought about?
Have you thought about it?
Yeah. See, I think the power of questions is so fundamental to negotiation.
So have you thought about consequences?
Yeah. Have you thought about this? And if you can name the consequence, and being able to have the person put words to what they think. Well, so they might say, no, I've never thought about it. Then you go 2 steps more, another question, well, what do you think the possibilities are? And they say, well, okay, maybe this. And then you come back a 3rd time and say, well, what about beyond that? So you don't take that initial response as the official answer. You want to go deeper into what is in that motivation or what is in that value.